In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can solve your connection is not private problem on your internet browser. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open your internet browser. At the top right corner, you will see these three dots. So click on it and then go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Click on the first option, clear browsing data. Then click on advanced. In front of time range, you will see this drop down. Click on it and select all time. After this, you have to make sure that only the first two options are selected. So unselect the remaining options. And then all you have to do is to click on this clear data option. And once you click on clear data, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. But just in case if the issue still persists, all you have to do is to uninstall your internet browser and then reinstall it and your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.